welcome back to the channel. Remember to subscribe and share the video up. All right, so this book that you're seeing on the screen, it's for teenagers, educators, and also for parents. You can make sure if you want to support the book in terms of purchasing it, you can click on the link in the description and go over to the relevant places where the book is available, both on the website and both on Amazon. Big up on yourself and make sure say you keep on watching.
I so much see, look me this. I so much people have get up.
Now yeah, this is Romain Verga, big up Richard Brown Films. Check them out on YouTube, you know what I mean? Nothing normal. Big movies. He's Richard Brown. Richard Brown just let them know. Say dirty heart can't see it room. They are like the trees that can't bloom. And they shall show do what? He's Richard Brown.
Me step out of jail yard. Sun hot on my face, but my heart still cold. Family house full, but nobody really glad me home. Sister turn her back on me, say she tired of the shame and disgrace. Auntie say, hold your head up, my youth, but the past still call me name. A scamming business, feed we belly, pies and whistle. Scamming business, money come fast, but freedom slow. We hustle together, but we fight like enemies. See I'm blood in our vein, yeah. Still chained by the scamming business. Daddy teach me the road.
Oh, go on.
Nothing. You're okay?
Yeah, man, me alright. Me just can't wait to come out here, cause so they said they ain't gonna release me in 3 days, so me can't just wait for come out.
Yeah, just be patient and if you don't miss it now, because 3 days very close.
Me I try, cause if they in a jail so long, me change differently, My mindset and how me a pre-life, Me don't want to come back in here, I honestly don't want to come back in here. So when I come out, I'll try to straighten my life.
It sounds like a plan, because you break everybody's heart. That mommy not good mentally because of this situation. She would have loved to come here, but she can't come. She tell me that she didn't ever come today and she couldn't. Like she just stressed about the whole situation. I'm over understand say because this take a toll upon everybody. I mean I know if people gonna look for you different. I mean if the streets are gonna see you different. You know you gotta have a lot to look forward to in our world. Because people judge.
Alright. Don't worry yourself. But I just try to make my life better. When I go back and I see illegal activities when me did, As me know which party can end me up,
Right, well that sounds good. I'm hope you mean it.
But everything good though.
Well, yeah, besides this you are, definitely.
Alright. But I wonder if you can probably see if you can line me up on work when I come out,
I mean, we can try because based on your record, your situation, it's gonna be hard and that can mess me up if you mess up. But definitely. But we would have want to do.
So when we can make some money.
If I want to work, you must have make money. What kind of money we talk about?
But sis, think about this. Imagine me dey a scam and me dey a make real money. And then if you come out and just I do regular work like
No, Johnny, I don't think your mindset change at all.
no, you have to understand what me I try to say, Me not no problem if you go to 9 to 5, you know. So I end up back in here, so, you know, but me can't I do certain work where me not gonna make money, you know. Me can't say me come out of jail and then me go work on garbage truck on them place, you know. I sleeve up myself and I make money, you know. So see if I can line me up for one probably like one call center work or so, me can make 100,000 a month.
Alright, your mindset change for you, you know. You definitely coming in a way there start to say. You may not know if this is going to play a record so fast, you don't know if it's going to stop you from getting a job, but just one step at a time. Like any job where you get, just work with it. As long as it don't keep you out of trouble, that's all you need to keep in mind. Get a job and something where you feel you. And then, you know, one step at a time you elevate. Then I could just start off big. That's not possible. Well, it's possible, but in a your situation, it go slow.
Alright, but me see you in 3 days. Just tell mommy some love her.
Yes, and she love you too. So I know we have to go come for you when you come on. So hopefully she can come.
So what got me now?
June, no bother with you, someone.
You see all you know about that talk, you know? Me want really know why you really dress this way and come on my people in place. You know, so we are going to meet principal, we are going to meet teachers. And you come down and dress like this to shame me and shame your son.
So what you do, man? Dress up in a jacket and tie?
You know, if you dress in a jacket and tie, what you see me now? You see me now long this and that and when if me just dress like
Alright.
just one schedule
But
looking.
with low talking, man. Low talking. Me we deal with the youth.
Deal with the shoot. Now me pick me drop out of school. You see you make it look like a something good in do. Why you go fight again?
Joan, just ease no man. So you want to text it for the youth and lick youth and you know lick them back? Eh?
You know, so you take it for joke. I wonder if you realize you expel him from the school. Which other school me put him on? Why soon left school you know you go tell me about in this and that and one for foolishness?
Alright, Joan, me we deal with it.
You never have nothing constructive to talk about your son yet. And you make him is like this. You.
Alright, Joan, go on in your yard.
Don't tell me when to move. I'm my pitney. You breed me and give me, but I me feel the pain. And you don't come tell me nothing. This is the thing. Why you have to behave like this. You come to school, you fight, you this, you call weed, you carry in your bag that day, make a teacher call me.
I know my weed, I want my friend to put in my bag.
Look here, the last time I get the chance to come a parents teacher meeting, you know. A scissors, the incident take out your bag, you know. So I wonder if that the damn fool security they were out of gate no search no bag before no going, you know. And no matter of fact, the teacher them tell me say, uno smart, uno walk past the security and grow at the back of the school and throw you over the fence and make no friend take up here and win no go in there, you no friend go no. And then no damage people.
Alright, Joan,
okay,
Joan,
you're
Joan,
on your own.
wait till
You know, me no want you not fry you no Romaine, because you're next one.
Alright, Johnny. You all go on. You make me and mother disappointed, you know. And there is nothing we can do about this again. It don't gone bad. We are man, you know. And life now go easy for none of we. And this is our third school I get expelled from. So right now, it don't make no sense even but I try back school for you. School not cut out for everybody. So here we all go on, you know. Best thing for you do, if you just come on my foot, come go on there. No, but that's not, man. At least me I tell you, man. Your mother done prefer your sister more, you know. And me see it long time. So everything as she go the two shoes. So if you want to make something out of your life and make a man out of yourself, come on my foot and go on there.
What do you mean by that?
What you mean, so what me mean? You never hear them boy up on the phone, hello? Hello, Miss Pam, send the money. Simple 1 3 man, you come on my foot, me show you if you do me gear leads them and you come make a man out of yourself.
But since when you didn't anything say I just want mechanic.
And that's why me your mother left. Your mother knows me a chop and she don't like anything but I just saw you go. You know from when me no pull a bolt or a scoop on a car, I dial all along. Just come on my foot and start dial.
Somebody there on that?
Yo, don't worry about that, man. What you think all the money I drive? GLE all this. You think I buy sign? I dial the money in dial. And make a man out of themselves.
Yes, sir. I understand your complaint. I understand, but remember, you have to do the transaction for you to collect your prize. Yes, I understand all of that. Just just wait 1 second. I'm going to speak to my manager and I'm going to let you talk to him and you and him can talk out all the transactions and you get a full understanding. Remember, you're getting a cash prize of 100,000 US dollars. But to collect it, you need to send a deposit. Yes, don't worry. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to let you speak to my manager. I'm going to put you on hold. Yo, I'm gonna beat the client there on the side of stuff. You see, Mr. Johnson right there, so just give him one call. Tell him, say, you have to send one message to the publisher's clearance house to get him prize. So go and beat the client. I'm gonna beat the one. Say, me can make one 50,000 idea.
Bad dog. Yo, you still tell us more youth? Man a real dog. Yes that. You know, I'm 30 client about one in Ghana is gonna change up influencer, bro. That's not like an office dog.
So wrong with that, nothing wrong with that.
What do you mean nothing wrong with
That's
that, brother?
something.
If you go one side, brother, I told you that's a bad man.
We man don't go on one thing, man. So things set my time.
Come on, can I understand me?
You sure you can manage all the client the same? You can manage the client.
Brother, who to tell you no one client now in one book on a big piece of money and fight? And you don't want to look on your girl and 5 Jamaican dollars. What that can do, brother? You're not looking at them thing there, bro.
5,000 Jamaican dollar. It's a real thing I thought though.
Why if you looking over me as a bad man? I currently get curb thing right now, dog. Big man thing, man.
So we run saying gang talk.
You want glasses? Right now, me have to go up and wound dog and do a thing, brother. Cause me I young liar, man, right now, brother.
I saw I broke my vibes right now to see me.
I rate that, brother. I rate that now, but thing good, man. No, me have to do, man.
You have to just do one thing, so you gotta do.
Brother, big man thing between me and say, bro. I feel like I come back off this side, bro. But now I come back, say, brother. Because I'm more than one time a man do it, bro. We know how much money man I make, dog. So you can tell us I make 20 grand, bro. And you 5 grand, brother.
$5,000.
See me, man.
So that's what I make.
Now come back, say, bro. I'm a loss, this, bro.
Say boy, I chat them big giant and I give man 5,000 Jamaican dollar.
Hello. Special good day to you. This is John Older calling you from the publisher clearinghouse. Alright. Yeah, you have won $2.5 million along with a brand new Mercedes Benz. Yes, ma'am. This is 100% legitimate business, alright? So what I want you to do, get yourself a pen and paper and write down this information, alright?
Send the money.
Let me know when I get the pen and piece of paper.
How the client are going? Mr. John say they talk?
Yeah, man.
Nice, me, Lord. Alright, yo, just tell him say you're gonna make him speak to supervise your supervisor. I'll make him meeting.
Hello? Yes, Mr. Johnson? Alright, I'm gonna put you over to my manager, alright? Alright, no problem.
Sometimes you have to know if you beat the client because sometimes they can go on and go on and so you have to just make the client talk to the manager of this. I understand. Yes, Mr. Johnson, this is manager Damien. Yes, I understand my colleague was speaking to you. I just want you to run me by some of the things that he was telling you so that you can collect your winnings.
Yes, a piece of food the boy can collect in a dog. That's it. So if you have a piece of food in collect, just watch his style when I come in. Remember me tell you.
What happened? Any caller? Any caller? Hmm? You never call Carla? The woman when me tell us to call.
Oh, that one there.
Bro,
I'm not going for that.
bro, that's why me tell us say nah chop no food, you know.
So she should have on one and if not get so she till the next one.
But it no matter. You still can chop one 2 bills or something. You know I'm move.
Try to for that one again.
Yo, bad bro. This a fear, yeah? All this. We don't say nah to make no money from it, so I give her 5,000.
One thing good, I appreciate it, right?
Yeah man, no real so man. You still chop some food, man. Just call the woman, bro. Just call him.
Suck it chill, man. So she is still, right?
Mr. Johnson move right from in the bro, cause he only send her just a piece of food, you know. I know me I want more than this. But it's go have to work. But see I lost the car pal. Yo, never link my father enough. Make him lock this off. But yo, you what I want to do. I want to focus now. Cause me realize say una move weak the game na dog. I must say this is scamming business na bro. So una have to tough up. Call the woman and hear what you do. You see, how your woman name again? What's your name again?
Anything active, father. Anything active, man.
You hear me?
I get some for cancel one.
Yeah man. Call Miss Betty. Call Miss Betty cause me hear say her husband drop out, you know, so you can probably chop one piece of food off her. So just beat her off for some more money when she have. But me link her later on an idea.
Just go out yourself on the street, you see me?
Yeah man, watch your head back too man.
No money. Not a money. Eh? I can't tell me I appreciate 5,000. But every day I tell you say come like you eat that dog. Not a money, brother.
You look at this, you get a one, me get, and you get two.
And you tell my boy appreciate it. I go down gelling and get out the money where them contact me and give father the bad one. Dog, what the fuck, I'll kick that to dog, I don't want it.
So, you know, I really think I dog know say you're younger and on the block right you know.
Brother, I'm gonna come back, dog. I'm gonna come back, brother. Father, Tim, what go on?
I wonder that.
No, sir, if I look at him, come check it on door.
Yeah, I see.
No, I said, I do the game for there, nothing really go on. That's it. I said, if you can work on something for me, start make some piece of money, some real piece of food.
So what you go want me do for you? Real. What you real thing? What you go really
I wonder if you can give me no candle or no incense or no them thing there.
candle and incense? No, sir, you know, say, they think they don't work with them thing, they can't think they light. They think they light that, we don't work with them thing.
So you think our best thing?
Alright. We can do that thing here no more than 100 different ways. But more make it the easier way for you so you don't really have nothing for pay back. Big to the universe. You don't know nobody where you can send a prison. We can sacrifice. Look, I'm break it down to you. There's many different ways of sacrificing. You see me? Alright, you see me, you know. I'm not sacrifice people for make money. But we can sacrifice them for them go to prison. So you make for them life hard and for your life easy.
Yeah. Think I think true right now, you know. Cause really and truly, I want to start make some real money, brother.
But
Yes,
if you
yes,
want
sir.
to make money, there's nothing to think about.
Well,
Why reason you come here?
Think me know what I can use, you know.
Well, get him.
Think me know who me can use.
Deal with him, man.
So, what me I gonna need from him though? Now I need nothing from him.
No, man. You know his name?
Yeah, man, I know his name, man.
So now his name you need, man.
He was born named Johnny, you know.
Johnny. You go get Johnny clothes and carry it up.
Alright.
You hear that?
Yeah, man.
And me go do what me do pan you, then me give you and you go deal with what you deal with. You understand what me I say?
Yeah, man,
Like in a 3 days time, see in a 3 days time, in the night back IG.
Right now, right now, I'm work on it now.
Quicker and better for you.
Tired for yourself right now, man. Is it?
Quicker and better for you. You hear that?
Give me a look, move, come check here.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yo, you know what I say? When a big man levels do. I ain't to sign up for them thing, you know.
What do you mean by that? Sign up for them thing?
I mean, so Johnny really have a sacrifice.
So, what wrong with that?
You know, see, ungrateful.
Yo,
thing you laugh. I show you
Timmy.
say evil youth.
I'm tell you something bad, man. It's not a world that we live in a youth. A dog eat dog. You hear me I tell you?
Oh, you know that.
Brother, I glad if glad to not kill me, I'll kill him. Just I go to prison. I'm gonna tell you something to brother. You see, if I want to stay broke and hungry, you know, for 40 million, bro. You see me? Just know, say, when I make it out to bad man, you know, link me. If you know money, dog, you see it. Tell me, I tell you, bro. So, I don't talk with the bad man, so you must know what you want in life.
Man, they say slow and fast is way to reach where you want to go, you know. So, I have no problem taking it slow. You have to reach slowly but surely.
Yes, Mr. Dennis. You have to send a money of $200 before you send.
Hang up that. Hang up that. Johnny. Eh?
No, me name Johnny.
And are you named Johnny?
No, sir.
Boss man. You hear me? I pop up a put shot in your face now, boy. You come tell police now.
Officer, what going?
You hear me? You know say you're a big scam about the place now, boss man.
Me, officer?
What? Two phone. Open that the phone, let me see it, dude.
What?
What? Oh, you can't give me. Open the phone, let me see the phone.
Officer, call center work, me I do.
You know, listen. You know, call center way. Are you yard? Are you carry your work? Are you yard? Open that.
No, officer, I come in shop, but saying, where the people phone.
No matter there, you know. As Mr. Boss, me put one there, you know, put a gun for you, you know. Don't play with me, you. Let me see what I go on.
How kind of wickedness said upon?
Come like that idiot me I talk to. You hear me? A station here going on you.
Officer, calm down.
You see me say, boy, like, you know what go through me? Eh? When me work at night time, what you there?
But officer, I don't mind fault never pay pennies.
Boss man, when me there now my blood clean, car at night time I patrol and they don't know man, you know. See, how you think me feel when man like you drive past me? Don't hold me on, boy, how are you? When man like you drive past me, eh? I come show off on the car and them sitting there. That's why they know me feel.
Officer, just calm down.
Calm down, pal.
If a money you want, me can give you money.
Boss man, I bribe me too.
No.
A different thing that you know. You hear me? Boss man, nothing I save you know.
Officer,
I hang away in a minute. Get up.
By the puppy chain.
Get up, boss man. I so much, look at me this. I so much people you have people have blow foreign boy. I so much people you have. Get up. Get up, boy. Go so. Damn thief. Man, a pity pound boy, you know, man. Hey, me not like you, you know, man.
You're dead to me.
So all things are good.
Yeah, man. Me alright. But how much more mommy there?
Well, she not feel good, so she said she couldn't make it. But you have to see her because she don't home.
You sure about that? Or mommy just never wants to see me?
You know matter, she don't home, so you have to see her.
Yeah.
Me just so excited to take come home finally. Like, it's been so long.
Yeah, man.
I'm sorry, so mama couldn't make it.
evening.
Wow, God, mommy. Long time I not see you. Yeah.
Me there.
So I go and that you want a little hug.
Me shame on you. But me glad to see you come out. Yes. You see what you do? You leave me heart in a pain. Me live in a sorrow for all the time. You dey behind bars as your mother. You don't know the stress, the frustration, and all those thoughts that you leave in my brain. It a affect me. You is my only son. And it look like a mad you want mad me. You see that job the way you did that do? I hope you never that pick you up back again. You end up back in the so. You hear what me say? Me no like it. I no glad me look here. You just said not even one lick up. I no glad me no glad to say you know. Me glad to say you come out. But the way you're making neighbor them have me, they chat me. Oh, my son a big scammer. I need this, I need that, and one if I something. How me feel?
You know, so me just come out of jail. But me never really expect this, you know. I just 4 years me gone for, you know. Me understand, say, in the whole time period, you were going through a lot, you know. But you barely really look for me in jail, you know. But remember, me and your son, you're supposed to hug me up and happy to see me. The house where we live in, you know. A house where you live in for 4 years since me gone. Remember, say, you know, I scamming money, Billy, you know. Remember that. Remember, say, all of them people there who are chat up their mouth, say, oh, me a big scammer and this and that. A board house they live in. And for them pick me up on garbage truck. They are KFC a sweep up place. Like them a sound, me not even want to say certain things. I
Johnny,
swear.
you done that?
Mommy,
If me no want cut you enough, cause you see you now, you look for 4 long years like I know nothing. Like I just want one day stay behind bars. Well, you see that 4 years there, where you go in the so go stay, and me can't see you noon tall. Me, we take me 2 breasts and feed you. Make you become a man. I can't tell me about mommy. Like I know nothing, you know. You hear you talking? I just 4 years. Like 4 years and nothing. Well, you see the 9 months when me keep you in this? Eh? It longer than the 4 years to me. Me no busy about nobody else. Me get sleepless nights. Johnny, you know what I talk about? Did I send you to scam? What you mean this a house here? Where me live in? Eh? Are the scamming money? Me didn't know say a scam you the scam. Me know say a scamming money make it. You act like I say me know your business what you did I do.
mommy,
Are your dirty poop? Listen.
mommy,
Yes,
mommy, listen
yes,
to
why
me.
me I feel if your pal? You gonna follow your little dirty criminal poop gonna scam. Can you imagine? I hope you nobody take up back that dirty nasty attitude there again, you know. Yes, this time I know 4 years that I get you know. You see up there so where them put you up so. A Spanish town, you see them big old grill. Look here, me this shame like a dog. Me never want nobody know say you are my son. So me need to come and down prison from come look for you. So then sitting there when they teach you and you look like you feel happy, feel learn, feel go do there something there. So you end up I ain't going there are you one. Who
Mommy,
you?
I love you and everything.
Me love you too, but me not like what you they do.
But I want to understand, say, oh, me not go back in the same business, you know. Because really and truly, a 4 years me spend in jail. So I learn from my mistakes. And I understand, say, me go back, me probably will end up in the same problem. So I'm going to leave it alone. That is why I talk to my sister and I tell her herself line up and work for me. So you don't have to worry yourself. But you have to show me a little bit respect. Say, yo, when me in a scamming business, me dey make money. And I hit help, you have to be comfortable. All the time when me dey go a mechanic shop with daddy, you really do think some mechanic work me I do?
What else does you think? Your father a mechanic.
Mommy, look on the concrete house we live in.
All them You know, I show you the top, but I don't want to continue the
You know,
conversation. Just
yeah,
figure about it.
you know what? Never look for daddy, you know.
Go on, see there. The one we help make you go to prison and you go look back along.
Mommy, me never expect that.
When I expect.
I mean, me no know where I feel. Honestly, me no know where I feel as a mother for no say your son be jail for so long. Me really no know, but for no saying come and you never yet go visit him. You never yet go visit him. And you're not showing no warmness, you know. Mommy, you have to understand what I say. Like, me get you upset, you know, don't get me wrong, you know. Me get that part, but just the way you do that talk to me, you know.
You know what? Me thank God, you know. You look into yourself and say the right thing at the beginning of the conversation when you start with me now. You don't know how me feel. You don't know how me did I feel neither. Because me not explain myself to you. But in tear out my heart to see how hard me send the two to school. I want to get big and all him have to think about is scamming. Eh? Me send him around and poopa fi go learn. Trade. Nothing learn fi scam.
Yeah, mommy, but me think you know.
Know what? You didn't want to tell me.
Me never know exactly. Me did have one idea because I mean, me did a college all the way at town, and most of the time, me tell me say, "Him go send money, and him have a smaller brother, and him a take care of my fees." So me have one idea. So me think that you there and you know.
I never know nothing.
Me just think I could have show him little love, cause no way in the house and everything I go weird. Only probably not people go talk to each other.
Show little love. You no sister not even visit me, no visit him at prison. The way me shame this boy, shame me. Me no know about the rest of mother them, you know. But you see me, you as my daughter and him as my son. If you think you're bad, go do prostitution and see if me no abandon you same way.
But Johnny and I first.
Him, I know him first and he won't be the last. I am speaking on the behalf of my son. The other rest of mother them figure talk about fi them pick me. Me busy with fi me. Because sometimes we mothers, we now pick the bean out of we eye, we a pick it out of somebody else's eye. Me busy with fi me son and fi me pick me. I don't care all when I'm a big man and you're a big woman. No, I don't care. It's my son. He make me feel away. That's why I never visit him up there.
Daddy. Yo. Yeah, did you back there? No, man. Man. Everything good? Yeah, man. Yeah, try though. There, man. No hug up thing, man. Look like prison soft you up, man. You can hug up, man. Find that, you know. Yeah, though. There, man. Good for see you, though. Yeah, man. Good to see you. So, where's you going, you know? There, you know. Just a come out, a pen. And so me just go and check for you and see if I go down thing. I mean, yeah, I survive, you know what I mean? But what it is still, so. We'll serve time still, I'm prison mostly rough still, you know. Sorry, so I couldn't come visit as often as I would like still, but you know, I think already. Yeah, man, me understand, man, at least one or a few times they care one toothbrush or one box food and stuff for me, so I'm grateful for them times then. Honestly, I do more for me more than movie. So I go still, but so I go on, we plan for do. Plan for just get back in the game because no time for waste, you know. So yeah, man, we have luck, you know. Respect everything we do for me, man. But honestly, I can't do it. The 4 years I spent in prison, I take a self-reflection. And I think the best thing for me to do, I just change my life. Alright, I can't fight upon that. But that you want, that you have to do, you know. So, but the game will always be here, so if you're ready to jump back in and make some money, I want you. Because I know see you go to prison, you must get wise again. Must get wise and know, say, yo, oh boy, didn't catch you. You're not supposed to catch us again, isn't it? Yeah, but one of the time them they give some money for lock off and even though I don't want to go back in our business, I at least want something to start off with. So I don't know if you still have the money there. Why? Tell you the truth, in the money mash up, you know. Buy paper,
try some little investment and now work out. Just so you go. Sorry, me mash up still. Me know you give me money if you lock off still, but we try to see if we can make it back still. You see me? I'm still go and try dial, you know, even though nothing on to go on some social me live off. You see me?
I understand. That good man, but you know, if I want like a 5 grand or so, we can just go and hold off it.
Aye. See what me can find. When me can find $5 or some $100 bill still. Cause I'm tell you nothing to go on from with you know, that's only cause social me live off of. You know so that I have to pay bills and shit, but it's not much still. But see what you can do with this, you see me?
Yeah, man, I'm grateful for this, man. You honestly, you don't know what this can do for me.
Alright.
But it's good to see you though, but boy, what me kind of stress me out too.
Yo, listen man. Your mother, I done your mother already. Women will always be women, you know. And even though your mother, a woman same way. So you don't really watch her and pay her no mind. Just focus on you. You come from jail you know. And the best thing you can do, if you don't want to come back in the game, just find a job and do what you have to do.
Or just because a 4 years me there at jail for and she hardly look for me. Barely. Me
Oh,
can't come from
Brother, listen man, I tell you
my
something.
hand and say she look for me.
It's a woman thing. I could all could have your woman too, and you know come look for you. So
But I'm a mother.
don't worry about that, man. I still your mother.
And then me come out of jail, she not even come pick me up at jail and my own sister. Not even give me a hug when me come in her house. And I'm me Billy house.
I tell someone, don't worry about shit. You done your mother. Just show her respect. But I disrespect her, no show her respect. I don't really pay her no mind. You understand what I say?
Alright, but if anything like come on.
Alright, do what you have to do. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Rotted.
Hey there, pan.
Look who is back. Where are you with?
I'm there.
How you forward?
Boy, you know what I say? I've been out for a few days now and you know where you go. I come out of jail and just try to make your life better.
So, brother, I can't believe you come on road, bro, and lick me, bro. That's how me live, man.
I must say, you know, then you take away my phone and everything, you know. So I lose your number and that. You don't live in the same place again.
Yeah, man, we live in the same place, man. Build up a house, big house and man, and thing, man. Yeah, just few weeks ago when we got that house, bro.
Bus look nice, man.
Yeah, man.
How which year this?
2019 Vox house, man.
Look good, man. Look good.
So where do you for yourself for now?
Well, you know, say I want job interview. Me just want to go up on her. And it not really work out.
Job interview, brother. Yeah, say food there, bro. Where you gone, this, brother?
I don't disagree with you, you know. But I must say, you know, that my mother and me and my sister, and they want to see better for me. They don't want to see me end up in the same position when we get locked up.
Bro, I just want to look at thing go down, bro, where I would just face, brother. You see me? But 95 can't pay it, bro. So hear me out tell football, just for them foot, dog. For them foot, brother. Watch out. Brother, I'm telling you 2 weeks ago this, you know. You see me? I have a client right now, dog, where multi-million year rich, bro. Multi-million year rich.
Me think about it, but let me grab your number. Grab your number, because, you know, it's a new number and things, so I just have to get back your number.
876
Give me the
491
491.
9686.
Alright.
Yeah, man, it's connect, man. You see me?
Alright, me connect you, man. Know yourself.
Brother, make sure you link me, man.
Bro, know yourself, man. Me connect you, but if you know me, I go just see how 95 or run taxi or probably go around car wash or something. I don't know. Me see how you go.
Brother, you man tell me, brother.
Know yourself, man. If I anything.
Brother, I dial in the food, bro.
Me connect you.
Alright.
Oh Jesus, plead my cause, carry me, Lord. Hey, hey, Jesus, carry me over the the troubled water. Yeah. Jesus
Why you always leave the door open? I know you're not fix Jenny. You know.
Yes, man.
You never tell me say I fix the door.
They already saying if you buy some new inches feet so I can put on it.
But the inches then come.
Which part?
They in a box in a room. And oh, you come back so early. You good?
We go to interview now and I don't get a job now.
What you mean you don't get the job? Me said everything did good. How you feel?
They say they do some research and they find out say me have a criminal record.
But the man did tell me say, hold on. He did tell me say, would I make you go on like how you are my brother? Alright, don't worry about it. We go. Me already did that work for one next time, so I just the call back.
Right now, me not in a mood to get no work, you know.
What do you mean by that?
Sis, imagine me come out of jail and me a try turn my life around. And me go a interview where me ask if you set up for me, you know. And me think say a sure thing. And me don't get to work.
Oh, so because one interview fail, you give up?
You know, feel say if me do a next one, they go tell me same.
No, you have to. So what you gonna do then? What you gonna do? What are you going to do? You gonna sit down and depend on me? Cause my little pay can't feed that. The both of you know. You need to get a job and don't tell me no, but no, you not go on no more interview. You have to do it. It's not a if. Me did tell us that this is gonna be hard. We did have the conversation here. So what you talk about? Me a talk to you, you know?
Yeah, me say, me no get to work.
What you mean by when me want you to say? Johnny, you have to put your best foot forward. You have to know say this did not gonna happen.
Sis, right now, me not even want to move if you know something like get to work, you know. Cause me not even know what to tell she, you know.
So you gonna lie? Me not help you with a lie, you know? Because you can simply go to the lady and make sure you know say, alright, you get the interview, but you gonna go on next one. What you gonna tell her, so Johnny? No, what you gonna tell her, say? You gonna just okay, you gonna put on clothes every day and just up and go on the road like you gotta work. Eh? Me understand you're used to the fast life. Yes, me understand that. But you also have to understand the things. I go slow down. Mind you, you put yourself in a situation here, you know. You could have stayed humble, you know.
Sis, you know, say, me not even want to say certain things right now. Me not even want disrespect you right now, no. Cause me know say, you did it for me when me there in a jail, no.
You don't want to disrespect me?
You have to understand, no. Even though me decide so me now go back in the same business when me did in, you know. Remember, I hit build the house, you know. I hit did that take care of you when you did have a college, you know. I did that take care of mommy before you get your job, you know.
But when me say to you, say all of that, me never tell you say if you leave, you know, me never tell you say, me now go help out, you know, all me say is you can't give up. So what you mean by you don't want to disrespect me? It's alright, Johnny.
Alright.
Just know say me now go back here with your lie. So you do what you want to do, me no business.
Just calm down, no, just calm down.
No, but you pass the place and then you go say you don't want to disrespect me.
What you say? I go see if I can get more next work.
Me no know. Cause I already feel like you condition your mind already for the fast life. Like that's all me feel like you think about fast life. That's why you're willing to give up, but you can't give up. Me already did talk to the boss. Me put in all of the work for him and me do paperwork and everything and he tell me say I'm gonna make you get a job. He probably just never know the severity of your situation. Me I tell you, if I go there and get one next interview which you go get. But me can't tell him to hire you. You just have to stay focused. Promise me.
I promise you that I will make sure, say, I put my best foot forward and get the work. Hopefully, if we get the work, And then I say, oh, me can't get to work because
I
of
never
police
tell you say it's gonna take 1, 2, or 3 interview. It might take you 20. But you are gonna get somewhere. I one step at a time, you know.
Alright. Which one they say box there for inches?
It's in my room.
Alright, me so come. When me done drinking this, me come and put her on the door.
And you could cook. No one.
Sis, me just come from
Alright.
jail, you know.
Now them see the blessings start show. Oh yeah.
Even.
Even.
You have pepper?
Yeah, man, I have pepper.
Give me a big one. But I also want to ask you, where do you want me to come down here? And if you did there, the girl. This one sign, where it say, gonna need worker. That's still active?
We need workers for real.
Alright, so you think you can do something for my brother?
Which one of your brother then? The one to get locked up for scamming?
Yes, I want brother I have.
Why that kind of tough still, you know? Him still not that same kind of life or him change?
No, obviously, in another life, that's why me I try to start out one work for you.
Alright, here what? Tell him go and check me Monday.
Alright, give me a paper.
Alright. Johnny, you know really and truly, know you for a long time, you know. From you grow up till now, I say you turn big man. I only hope say you change certain ways, you know. Because your sister come talk to me. And I know your mother a long time. I don't want your friend them on my place doing it, Johnny. You understand me? But with that said, welcome aboard, man. You understand me? We work hard here, so, you know, and here so it's all about customer service. You understand me?
You know, for yourself, man. Me put on their life there for me come out of jail.
Make sure. So a healthy jizzle is a brand, you know. Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I want the best for you. Alright.
Alright, so where are me do now?
Alright. So like the fridge them, you have to pop the fridge them at night time. You understand me? And when we have like delivery, more you have to receive the goods them. You understand me? So you go in charge of the storeroom.
Alright.
Right? Yeah, man. Meat, same way, for weigh out and things like that. And we have to keep the place clean.
So you gonna tell me pricing this goods and master?
No, you know, so I don't really want you for your cash. But probably after 2 weeks time, me make you start cash. But for right now, I just want you just want pack the fridge them, pack on goods on the shelf them, and receive the goods then.
Okay.
You understand?
No problem, man. But me don't say early still, but you know say not anything we have to do that we have to ask for it. PR thing.
Pay, no worry about that, man. As long as you put in the work. Now we start you off on a salary, probably about $18,000 a week, and then me bump it up to about $22,000 or $25,000. How that sound?
That sound alright, man.
That sound good?
Yeah, man, me can work with that, man, as long as a honest living.
Yeah, man. You if you stay honest with you, Johnny. Don't let down your mother, you know, because June is a lady who I know from a long time, you know.
May I try?
Alright. Yeah, man.
So, what am I do exactly right now?
Let me show you what I'm going.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Jaja, for another day. Listen up, my people, because fire has a something to say. I'm going through my downtime. I don't worry, because I know tomorrow the sun will shine. Even though we fall off sometime, we got to brush off ourselves and rise again. Today for me, tomorrow for you. Things happens in life, there's nothing we can do. Hey. Put your shoulders to the wheel and don't steal. Every day you got to go for the meal. You know the deal. But remember, some of them are crab in a barrel. Them come for rob, kill, and steal. Listen up, my people, because fire has something to say. I'm going through my downtime. shine. Hey, even though we fall off sometime, we got to brush off ourselves today for me, tomorrow for you. Things happens in life, there's nothing we can do.
Yeah, how go my son? Oh, how go? Well, look like work have your way though. You see me here say I walk down here and I say boy I come give you one link nothing not go on and the things set away, you know me I say? That one me understand man. But to tell you the truth, I just start working and I don't really want to give out
Listen,
the
man,
things them.
I know say you just start work. I'm not tell us if you thief nothing. Me I say yo just a little one thing, just take it and give me out when you get paid, just pay back. Listen man, just do it thing man. I like say you gotta tell your boss say you give me nothing.
Oh, me not tell him nothing.
Just take it and pay for man.
I just because I'm my father, me I do this one.
Just do the right thing. Yeah.
Where do you want?
Yo, just give me one drink and one bull or one bun.
We not no cheese no.
Yo, that good man. Look at me reach out there.
Alright, look at me.
If I don't call me.
Yeah.
Johnny,
What on, bossy?
watch you now. You know, say, me I check the camera them on the place. I'm realize, say, yeah, give him a good zip. Yeah, give him things, them, Johnny. Me see your friend, them, I come check you. Me see woman, I come check you. And yeah, give him things, them.
Boss,
Charity, me, I run now.
bossy. Me not doing. Alright, bossy. Only 1 and 2 times. Me give you something. And that to my father. But me dey go tell yourself to take you out of my paying off for yourself.
So hold on there. The rum, them, what you give away. And the liquor, them.
Me not give you no rum.
Chocolate. Ice cream. Big old turkey neck. Are your father get them there?
1 and 2 times he come here and say he wants something. But boss, me I go make it. You can't take you out of my paying off for yourself. And I take nothing.
Over $100,000 worth of goods.
No man, boss,
Come
you
on,
exaggerate.
Come on, man.
Yeah,
Look here,
exaggerate.
man. I because I know your mother, you know. And your sister come talk to me, you know. Make me take you on, you know. Me never expect this, you know.
Boss, just take a minute and calm down. No, me not a thief, nothing, you know.
Me never say you're a thief.
But that it sound like.
But, Johnny, you can't give the goods away
Alright,
and not collect no money. It's money put the goods them on the shelf. It's money if you take them off.
alright. Me understand, say me wrong. And me take you blame. You can't take you out of my pay, man. Just give me a chance, man. Me sorry.
Can't work.
Bossy,
work.
bossy, this is one little work me get, you know.
It can't work. This not work. You have to go back and do what you are doing.
No, me no want to do them things, boss. But just give me a chance, sir.
It can't work. It can't work. Make it stay. Me will deal with my thing.
No, boss, me deal with the man.
No, man. Me will deal with it, man. Can you give me my goods them?
Boss, me a beg you, just give me a chance, no. This is one little work me have, you know.
Look here. The decision is final now.
So, boss, when me I get me pay?
What you say? Pay? A police me a call for you. Leave me place.
Hey, the pan, bad dog.
They are going to use it up. Thing good.
Really, you know.
Like I've gone there now.
To tell you the truth. Never that really I planning. But with up on my face right now. Like, life hard, brother. Coming out of jail, you know say you go tough. But in a normal. I try to do it honest living, but it not work out.
Brother, I done till the 30 more youth. From the last time I see you, bro. When I see you go for an interview, I tell you said that not ready, bro. Scam the thing there, bro. See? Come to pass.
I lose my work, you know.
You have to lose it, man. Can watch her. I tell you, say, scam the thing there, bro. Can remember back in the days, brother, when you depend for your farm, you know, bro. And you teach for this, you know. And I see right now, I'm depend on farm, you know, brother. I'm more, you see me? Right now, I'm there wait for that dog to lick me, dog. I'm saying go buy some papers and thing, dog. So if you're serious, bro, connect me, dog. You see me? Just like how they got me when I have it, that's some will got it, bro. Believe.
Alright, cause I don't know what else to do, you know. I don't know what else to do. Try honest living, try make my mother proud, try to make my sister proud. Cause all my father he tell me say I want to go back in the night. I tell him say no, I go easy myself. But I realize say this is only business where I go work.
And you know, bro, you know nothing hard. You know. It might take all for talking still, but we have to talk way through. Anything at all in life we have to do, we have to talk way through. You see me? So, and you know the whole jug is already. You think kind of change, I know, still one look away, still, you know. Because what's in them thing that not work again? You see me? You can use my runner dog, send the food to my runner dog and it reach a foot.
Alright, here me go do. Let's say I can get 2 phone, 2 burner, and come forward a foot. And see if we can do some work a morning.
Just connect me, dog.
Alright, me link you a morning.
6 o'clock in the brother.
Yeah man.
Early bird, catch the most worm.
Alright bro.
Alright.
Yo bro, I just want to tell you again, so yo, I rate the fact say they take me off foot, you know, cause enough man now do that, you know. Cause my mind ideas, you know. When me I top dog, you know, I make you come on my foot, you know. So I rate you for that.
Yeah man, I'm grateful too. Because what? You told me I meet you right now. See, I done my house. Over 29 Vauxhall Drive. You see me? So I done your thing, bro.
Yeah man.
You see me?
I just circumstances make me take up back a game still,
But as
you
I
know.
tell you still, when my game change.
Which one of them you remember for call for still? Cause I don't know.
You know when I want to start from one?
Alright.
You could have want to start from the lower part. You see me?
I'm kind of rusty still, you understand? Cause that time when I there at prison, I never think somebody go come back on this, you know.
Oh. But nothing not going for you, dog. You see me? Nothing not going for you, bro.
I have a little supermarket work still, you know, just because the boss I say me I give out him things and this and that, so he fire me. You know them man stay they overreact.
Bro, I done tell already said 95 on a fool, bro. Dial in a fool thing, bro. That's it.
But if you tell you the truth, I don't really want my mother to find out say this me take her back, you know.
No, not good, bro, man.
Yeah,
Can't say question still? Eat from morning?
Yeah, I never really get fit now still. Cause me there try to come out of the house and I make my mother say, cause you know say if she see me I come out and I'm in a work uniform, she go say, oh me not go work this and that. So I just sneak out and thing.
Dog. One can't work for Uncle Belly still, bro. You see me? Have a piece of food and I just make a grab something to consume, bro. You see it? See it, huh? You hold up on a 3 bills there. You see it?
Respect, you know.
And remember back in the days, bro, when I look for me, I give me 5 grand and then money, dog. You see it? Show me, I show me, I still like it, brother.
But bro, remember say back in the days, you know, 5,000 enough money, you know.
Ain't enough for me still.
I should have never thought then, bro.
Thing good, man. When I go back to building my past one, thing good.
Alright,
Can
but
just grab some food that way, can consume, brother. Sitting there, you see me?
alright, but me also do want to ask you one question. Cause it kinda did a puzzle me when me see you. I like how me there now. How which part of Timmy there? Cause I realize say you know there your foot. Cause me remember say I did 3 away a scammer from me going to jail. But that thing say I 2 I run a game. So I go on for him.
Bro, I want to tell us in a dog, thief when I'm clapping dog. Thief my client, bro. And run off, bro. By a lady wagon dog. You see me? And thing dog. You see me? I remember this, bro. Remember that game, full of corruption. You see me?
But the man that is humble, man. I never expect that all time.
You have to expect unexpected. You see me?
Tell you the truth, no, enough time he never really I make no money off a game enough time and me have to give him 20,000 40,000, you know. And the man really betray you like that. The man they shaky man, but see we can make some money in idea.
Yeah, man. I'm see what you can do. Make a phone call.
I call Miss Betty. Mommy. Oh, you good?
Yeah. Alright.
You know, yeah, man, me alright, man. You know, so a sister, me say around here, so. After I work, me I come, so me say, I give you a piece of money.
You get pay already?
You know, say I just want a little money, boss, give me, say me I do your work good, so I want early little payment.
Alright, here I know. Come know you stay, you know. Ready if you come tell me say you're a big man and mommy me this and mommy that, but me go tell you something. See little work here where God bless you with. Try and stay in it. It better. You work there so, get your honest money. You understand? More than you go back in a war. But they try to make you not go back in a. You know already, me not have to tell you what.
No worries, sir, mommy. Everything good, man. But I say make you get some sleep, you know, because me have to go in to work early in the morning. You know.
Alright. How much it is? How matter of fact, when is Sunday?
June, let me tell you something. Me have to let him go, you know.
What do you mean?
Me have to let him go. Because he might run the place like a charity. 2 weeks after
I joke at me, car. Johnny not there work.
Johnny, I give me things I saw Johnny I run my place like a charity.
How long? Jesus Christ. I joke at me.
No, me
How long
serious.
since something?
June, let me tell you something. Not even 2 weeks after Johnny start work down here, you know, I realize that Johnny have some friend that come check him. When Johnny friend them come check him, me see liquor go in a bag, all sort of things. Johnny I give me things them. Everybody come in, Johnny I give them things. I give woman me things, I give friend me things. I saw Johnny I run my place like a charity.
Oh, Jesus.
Johnny now behave himself, June. Me I have friend. Me think him tell you.
You not tell me nothing. I first news to me.
Johnny I give me things them, June. See it there? When me run my camera them.
Oh,
It's over
Jesus.
$100,000 worth of goods when I watch my camera them Johnny give away, you know.
Oh. Alright. Me not go bother by this. Me go look if me see him. Me have to find him. Anyway in there, me have to find him.
Yeah man, talk to him.
Me not go bother by him. Me see
That
what
me
me
your
can do.
friend. He need to do better than that.
Me see what me can do and say me can pay you the money. Little out of 100,000.
Alright, June.
Alright, me I look for him.
Yeah, June.
I'll definitely call you back. Yes, I'm going on a lunch break now, so I'll call you back, all right? Yeah, man, I'll definitely call you back, all right? Thank you. Thank you very much. Later on. Love you, baby. Hey, what I want to know?
The time you're on phone and come chat about love you, baby, I'll definitely call you back. You can talk to your dirty son. I feel me pitney, but me can't take him no more. Me can't take it. What kind of look there? From me know you, I saw your ton. And then foolishness where they go on with boy upon phone. Hello? And you can go and pick up package. Look, listen to me. Let me tell you something. You make your son turn big scammer till he all go prison.
June, why problem? You go serve in time and come back. Where you come on me yard and make up the bag and
What
this?
you mean
Yo,
when me
that's
come?
why me have
Say
left,
me
you know,
your
man.
father. You mean say he make me and you have to left because you not listen to me. And that's why I'm content so. Just like you. Now in left Ghana super. Me no want hear nothing from you. Me no want hear nothing from you when you come chat but that's why me have to. Listen what me have to say. Listen man. Johnny go look work at supermarket. Eh? And me never know say Johnny left not there the work. He left the work cause he do some foolishness and make them have to fire him. Eh? So you know did it again.
so what
Me go in a supermarket and they ask him and tell me about them whatever from 2 weeks ago. Listen.
John, a man a big man and you know man. How happen me can come to me? Why problem?
Me come to you with one ignorance in me because you make my son stay so. You notice me not come calm? Me no in a no gesturing, no nice with you. Because me dey talk to you long time. So if you stop from make my son do what you they do and leave him, make him take him book at school and come out to something good. A big scammer you want him fit on.
So in losing work, what that have to do with me?
Because he still have scamming in his brain. So me the one day if I don't in the video. No mind chap you see me from a distance they come and you make him run they so gonna hide in my house.
Listen me I say John. You no down here. And you a big young man and you know man. You have to just make him live in life, man.
He could have €1 million like my son. So if he left him make him do all kind of make them come turn around and analyze my son. So me not fit talk about my son.
Hear me I say, John. Hear me I say. A full time now if you stop antagonizing about you know.
Me not antagonize you.
You
I mean, I
understand?
think me overprotective. Me know say I'm a big man, but you make him end up in all of them kind of foolishness.
Yes, I'm taking blame, say on me. You know what? I'm a matter of fact, I want a woman me on the phone with that talk, you know, to you know. I'm no client, you know, long me not take up a phone and
What
there.
that have to do with me? Me soon know if he not down here. No. Me go find out. No worry yourself. Everything good, man. Go and hide him.
We top action miserable man, full time. Sure.
Let's see him come there. Someone really coming. Just nobody really excitement. And I just try to talk to you and see if they can understand.
Evening.
How was work today?
It did good, man. It did good, man.
Work did good today.
Yeah, man. I just see a more thing. The man know I'm there on the cashier spot, so I just pack out some stuff or sweep up a place and then something. Well, I go on and cook.
You not care nothing to cook. If you know how me have you up, you not ask about no food in your so. I don't care if you take your money and Billy where you scam and get. You is a little liar from the pit of hell.
I realize from me come out of jail, you know, you still a dealing with me like me a little boy, you know. What happened now? What me do? What me do?
You never done nothing yet. You never done nothing yet. So you gone back and scam now.
Who tell you that?
Who tell you if you go back go do it?
Mommy, me not scam.
Yeah.
Whoever tell you that is a liar.
You're not scam.
No.
So all of them for money out where the car can't give me. Where you get it from and you're not working?
Me not get one supermarket work. Sis, you not get more work.
Let me get you one word. Listen, me honestly know when you drag me in this thing time, I try calm down moment from morning, you know. You mess up, you know. You mess up, you know. You make my name bad out the road now, you know. Because me go beg for you and get you a job. I mean, I know what you gonna do. And now my name dirty up a road because I'm a brother. Like, you not think about me?
So what me do?
What you do? What you do? What did you do? More know what you do for you. What?
I'm
Really got the man place go give away things the man play a fool. Like me think he actually that try to keep a job.
so now try say man fire me. And that not try say.
What we are trying to say? Why you give away the man's stuff? So wait, he's a good Samaritan. When I run charity in a man place, everybody come in, you give them this, you give them that. How you do? Trust them or you just take it, give them and like, say, yeah, he's a good friend, so you give them something. What you do? Eh?
You know, because you grow me good.
Hmm.
I'm gonna be honest with you, you know.
What happened?
Yes, the man fire me. But when him a tell you, I know so you go. Him fire me because he see on camera say 1 and 2 times me give somebody something. And a daddy me give something, you know.
You don't have no right, especially him. You don't have no right.
Son of
you
my father.
put a thief and you a thief. Scamming his thief in. So you already when they scam with him. Eh? And now you're gonna get one little work. Where God bless you with the one supermarket. And you take out the people and things and give your papa. When you don't allow him figure and go walk.
Me tell the man say he can't take you out of my pay and he overreact and he fire me same way.
I don't believe you. Because if you're telling saying can take you out of it and he fire you, you do something else then. I can't that he fire too long.
So you go believe him over your own son?
I don't know, over and under. You shouldn't take out the people them things. None at all. And
Mommy.
not even one stranger you give. Your dirty thief in scamming pooper will make you end up at prison.
Mommy, listen to me. I know not big. I want 1 and 2 bulla or 1 cran water me give daddy.
It no matter, I could have want sweetie paper. It is not yours. I saw me grow you. The tech when it belongs to you. And yours?
Mommy, I know how big. A man overreact. And the man they are criminal, you know. Because
You don't understand, say it no matter.
Sure.
It no matter
You know-
if I not big.
Camera in a place where you feel like I not feel your place. I work your sister get for you. And you gone do that.
the man they are no good Samaritan. The man they are do all kind of criminal activities. I watch drug money.
So you watch fee money. And the things you feel. You see, Alio? If you think you're bad, get back no more job fee again. And make them have your name all over the place.
She don't forget me no more job. Cause me a scam.
Because you gone back and scam and you shall go back to prison. You, I don't care if me under this way your bill. Me no business. You're too wicked and you feel stop it. That means you're loving a prison. You not learn.
Me realize,
go back in
me
there?
realize say, you act like you more righteous than anybody else.
Uh-uh.
Because I scamming money bill, listen up.
Yes,
I scamming money on a living now.
You not tap the way you do. Johnny.
Me not gonna dare so argue with them, you know. If you don't want to scamming money, I really don't care, no. But I hit, me I go continue do because I hit make money.
Take off your foot off my coach. Are you bilious but I'm me by the coach? Not do that. Both
Yes,
are that.
thank
Come
you.
rank with me. Both you are going to live in there. Well, die night. You look like, wait there. Them boy where they scam with and your pooper. In Kerrigan, one hobby, man.
LR? Yes, this is Mr. Clark speaking with you. Yes, the package has delivered. You can send the money now.
Whatever I'm putting himself in, he must go take himself out of it. Else. You hear that? Else. And guess what? Me. No want you indulge in foolishness them. No take nothing from him. I no want nothing from him. I no want him feel say we agree with him to do the foolishness them we do.
Yes, man. Do not worry yourself. You have won a big prize of $1 million and a Mercedes Benz. The transfer fee is 8,000 US dollars. Yes, I understand that you want your prize, but you have to send the cost fees so that you can get your prize. But I'm going to let you speak to my manager so that you can get some more clarifications on the winnings. Yes. And remember, this is the publisher's Clara's house. Yes, ma'am. This is the publisher's Clara's house. You are getting $1 million for your prizes. Do not worry yourself. Just speak to my manager. I'm going to put you on hold. Yo, bad dog, speak to the woman. What's your name? Miss Jackson. So, see if we can chop a piece of food off her.
Hello? Yes, Miss Jackson? Yes, you're speaking with John Holder, which is manager of Publisher Clearinghouse. Okay, I see you have won $1 million along with a 2022 Mercedes Benz. Yes, ma'am. So what I want to do for me now, ma'am, get yourself a piece of paper and a piece of pen. Okay, I'm going to provide you with all these necessary information. All right, ma'am. 1 second, ma'am.
Yes, sir, you've just won a new big prize. Your prize is a new Tesla 2027. Yes, I understand, sir, that we're in 2026, but the prize is a 2027 Tesla. And hear what? Because of you and how special you are for this gift that you're getting, we have dropped the price to 5,000 US dollars for you to collect it. So here's what I want you to do now. I want you to put on your best suit and write down this with a piece of paper. I want you to have this code. If anyone calls you and do not have the code, do not answer the phone because these are criminals. There are a lot of criminals in the world that is trying to steal your earnings. So, write down the piece of code. The code is 11587. Remember that. So, I will call you back in 5 minutes. I'm going to put you on hold. I'm going to speak to my supervisor so that you can win. Goodbye. Yo, bro. So, me that thing about something. Say, we can print up some check so we can send to some of my people them are foreign.
Can do some career trick, bro.
Yeah, man, so we can make it more believable so they can send him money fast. You understand? So, where the pants still?
Dog, a piece of food, go to collect in a dog for the run in a dog.
Mm.
The my boy send. Is it?
Mm.
Someone get a thing, dog. I'm not too tired, dog. Kind of feel sick, dog. Is it?
Yeah, man, one piece of flour go on him.
Mm. Let's get a piece of food, dog. I take me a stay officer side, you say, can go on the other day if you want to, listen me.
Yeah, man, I can do and make a few calls, man, or anything when me get me, make sure so me tell you.
Sure. 1,000, that is me.
1,000.
Yeah. So what you know, watch a piece of food with me, I will back in.
No, man, but I better TV watch that, dog. Must have me I do business now.
Yeah, dog. I must have to give you a piece of change to see me.
Yeah, man, no way, so man, not good, man. Must have me I in this, bro.
Yeah, bro, so I was gonna say, I'll go in there, because I can't do a tarp on the office today.
Alright, just take your vitamins, because that good for you,
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Let's go on the right thing now, you see me?
Yeah, man.
If I keep going now, my brother do like such one, brother, snitch out, bro.
Bro, me look like one man who stay, so.
Because I remember saying, bro, I'm bring him back and saying, man. You see me?
Don't worry yourself, man. Right now, just a try buck a giant. If me bucky giant, you have a bucky too.
Go on the chat, man, bro, man, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah, man, watch your back, Yes, sir.
Watch ya. Johnny.
Timmy, where the pan?
There, boy. You want me glad to see you fall back on the ground, you know. Come here, sit me here, see you fall back from GP and sit me, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, man. We just too long ago forward out, couple weeks now, but you know what I say? I never really expect to see you, cause from what Rico tell me, you know really day in that place.
Yeah, man, I'm sure I can give you a link long time, but that's true. I tell you, say you, I too like the police business and the jail thing, cause right time my wife me get locked up with annotation, this, you see me? They need me a way, bro, so I tell you, say me a ball the whole night. You see me, man, check me, say, yo, wait till you come out in the morning. I'm not going to the water and kind of say, listen, I start ball.
That's good, man, cause sometimes the situation they make you know your friend from your enemy, them,
So for true, man. Cause say if I never boy Bravo, save me in the morning there. Tell you.
Yeah, man. Well, make go to jail, come look for me and thing. So make me know who you really be. Cause me see Rico, And Rico make me know, say, they kind of switch up. Say a thief and a client, them run off and go buy 80 wagon and all kind of something.
That him tell you?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so since I tell you that, let me tell you what go on. Because you see, they betray Jesus, who is we, not forget betray. You know, say, boy, Rico, I tell you what go on. See if I tell me you're there, I tell you how you reach a prison. And him set you up.
What you just say?
You know, informer, I have to tell you, because I have to declare myself. Him set you up, broski.
Timmy, know what you saying, dog. Just know what you say.
Alright, me tell you. Remember from them time when he used to make a big piece of food and something.
I mean, when me I make a big piece of food.
Yeah. The boy has a fault to me, I say, yo. And I try to corrupt me and them thing, I say, yo. And he say, boy, I make a bag of money and I can give you 5,000 and all them sitting there. I mean, I say, broski, you can't talk them way there. You have to make your own food.
See, I say Rico Badmind me.
I tell you what go on. Obi man. Man tell me follow him go on night time. I think you know say Obi man him a go. Man see we are up on a mission, I go leave you a thing. And me reach me, I wonder how me I look around me. As me I say, but if you like them place the broski. So me left the game. Because we wanna tell Rico say yo, you have to go get a sacrifice, you know. You go sacrifice somebody, you know. And that's why man sacrifice if you get locked up on something.
I can't believe this right now.
You can't believe that up to you, you know.
See, I tell me say 4 years me spend at jail. A Rico informed the police and make me go to prison.
Where you feel like me left around him? Bros come in and game again. And security work me I do a nigga right now. If you left around that boy there. Boy, they're evil man. Judas Pitney.
Right now, me not even know if it's say right now.
You know, have to say nothing, you know. Don't trust not even me. It's the very one. You hear me I told you?
Yo, Timmy. Respect for your info, you know. But for facts, I teach you in the game, dog. You could have never tell me that from before you do it.
Things just happen. You don't know when it happen.
You know what? Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself.
Go and pick up yourself.
What go on, boy? Then,
Want nothing to drink?
also, right now, I ain't in no type of drinking mood, you know. You don't know, sir. You see what you two used to scam with. You teach me game and everything. And I know, say, man, make me know some things when I sound right. And I wonder if it's true. But what? You see, before me get locked up, him and one next youth, me teach them a game. But I help them a scam and I show them what to do. Now, after me come out of jail, I see one of them, and him me a deal with. And me I get to understand, say, he informed the police and him I reason why me go to jail.
No man, that sound too right. Youth where you put a road, set you up, make you go to jail.
You know, look right and it sound right. Me I wonder if I true you to tell, say man, inform the police. Cause till this day, you know, to tell you the truth, me always da wonder how the hell police know say me a scam.
Alright. You are going. Not too worry about it, man. Not too worry about it. Maybe deal with it.
No, we mean never deal with him.
Don't worry about that, man. Maybe deal with it, man. Cause if him make you spend all 4 years in a prison, nah, man, that can't right, man. That can't right. I have to pay for that, man.
Me no want to get yourself in a no problem, you know. And I think the best thing for me do, I have to just left around him and stop keeping company.
Alright.
Cause me no want to see you get yourself in a no problem. Right now, me a pre say me just go collect up a little money when me I go get from the little choppings and me get from a few people, you know. And me I go let this go, you know, honestly, you know. Cause me realize say, me feel like this scamming business I just be a corruption in it. Imagine, me teach one youth how to do a game and then he betray me like this.
Listen me, I said, now, Johnny.
And I take me back on foot like me and him my best friend.
I gotta tell you what I go on. Because sometimes, you know, you're young and you don't know everything what I go on in that world. I saw anything that involve money and illegal activity, them are sitting there always at more betrayal and killing go on.
But when the man upon his face and me help him.
It don't matter. I just say, Judas. You see me?
They sitting on the right, daddy, they sitting on the right.
Yo, no worry your head. No worry your head about it, man. No worry your head about it.
Yo, me can't bother, you know, right? I true because me have heart, you know, me not just kill him and dash him somewhere, you know.
Say no worry about it, man. No worry about it, man.
Yo, you know what me I gotta do? Nobody do nothing. Just nobody do no. All me I go do, me just go delete him number and block him. Alright, do that man.
You're dead to me. You're dead to me.
Johnny, I pray. I am also bad man. Man, stop come office dog. I am also bro. Come on, give an answer me brother. I am also bad man.
Best thing for you do, I'll go back in the bus and drive off.
What do you mean? I don't like my engineer bro.
Rico. I don't know if you remember say, I'm me teach you how to scam. And me make you know how to make money in a real life. And you really set me up the wickedest way.
What do you mean we set up a wiki this way?
Me say to me, you know,
The boy with thief money?
man no thief your money, you too damn lie. Man tell me say you set me up. And you make me go to jail for 4 years.
Brother, you really believe that one bad man? You feel like when I set up and bring her back on my foot? Think about what you say, brother. Think where one man tell a bad man. You feel like when I set you up and then take you back on my foot after you suffer?
Listen to me. If God and Satan could never agree up a heaven, who is you for to betray me? If Abel and Cain were a brother, blood brother, you think say you are nobody for to betray me? Me should have expect this. Me should have expect this. Cause I don't like some me and you even a brother. Me and you are just friend. You not even come look for me in a jail. Me should have expect this, you know.
And one thing I tell you, know, thou shall not bite the hand but feed you.
You be glad you said that. I don't mean teach you again.
You there prison long, brother. And you come on now, no money you tell me say, come on foot bad man. And lost some work. And you follow the boy with thief my client bad man.
The man not thief your client, you to lie.
Man a thief my client you follow man, brother. Say me say sacrifice if I go to prison. Say if you do something like that, you really think that make you come back on my foot, brother? You really think that logical, brother? Eh?
Me don't know what kind of game you play. Me don't know if it because me know if you do the game, why you want to make money, so you take me back on your foot or something else. But man like you for dead. I true because me have heart, you know. Me no send somebody to come deal with you, you know. But you see, because me not gonna take it there, so.
So it's not a one trick.
Me not trick you, I want promise.
Brother, man put a money for
Advice me I give you. You see, when you see me, you take it left.
You know what?
And when you me take it right, eh?
You know what? Now left for yourself. I'm gonna put a money for you there. I'm left for yourself.
Walk good here.
Yo, don't move. You get to understand, say, you know, and you set up me youth and make me go to jail, you know.
Where you face throw them from?
Yo, me not in a long chatting, man. I come to bust your throat, you know.
Rico, hold on. Stand up, let's go.
Gravy, don't have one.
We not gonna have no problem.
No, I'm gonna have problem. I will good like that.
We not good enough. I have to bring it down in the boss, man.
Bring me down for
I mean for what? Boss, man. Murder.
murder.
Yes, sir.
Me no murder nobody.
Boss, man. We have witness, you know.
Gravy,
And
this
you're
is
surveillance.
Listen, what's no gravy, man? Call listen, more listen, message you good. Come on, must me good like that as
No. Me say me you good. Me is no good. When you come on to work, me is no good, boss man. What you say now? Talk fast, because man I wait around the center.
Self-defense. The whole of that are self-defense.
You have to go
I'm
tell.
going to attack me,
You have to go tell that to the judge. Zinta?
Greybeard.
Boss man, let me do my
Greybeard.
work. Let me do my work.
Greybeard.
Jesus Christ. Look here. Come.
Greybeard. Listen, man. You show me real corruption of police, brother.
Boss man, no corruption and this when it comes to murder, boss.
Listen, man, so must have me get information from the boy,
Well, thanks for your information, boss. Listen to me, no, man.
And I really...
Well, no, man. You want them boy then I can't come around for you. And me. Tell me to say, boy, I come for you, no.
Just, all right, Greybeard, listen to me, I say. Me have a good thing going. Because I remember saying, every week, me get a 20,000 in your pocket,
Thanks for your donation.
Listen,
get it. That's just school, man. Listen, man. No long argument. Lock the vehicle and come. Go on.
Greybeard.
Drop the vehicle and go, boss, man. I come for you. You want them boy come around for you?
Just tell us,
The man them in the vehicle. Just drop the vehicle and come, man. You make things so difficult, Bridging. Do what I say. Just do what I say. You have your time in a court, boss, man. Boss, man. No foolishness, man.
No, like my lucky vehicle.
No, you care, man. Just give me the key, man. Give me the key. You have be so difficult, Bridging. Give me the key. You have your time in a court, man. Come. Me lock it up. Come on, go on, man. I'm boy that wait for you, man. Come. No embarrassment, boss, man. Just go on, man.
Greybeard,
Look in the just come on, just go on.
Welcome back to the channel. Remember to subscribe and share the video up. Alright, so this book that you're seeing on the screen, it's for teenagers, educators, and also for parents. You can make sure if you want to support the book in terms of purchasing it, you can click on the link in the description and go over to the relevant places where the book is available, both on the website and both on Amazon. Big up on yourself and make sure you keep on watching.
Yes, my people. So thank you very much for watching this wonderful movie. Thank you for experiencing this body of art. So I want you to check out my YouTube channel. It is called El Leyenda Concepts. Concepts like you've never seen before. This is E-L, put a space, L-E-Y-E-N-D-A, Concepts. Make sure you subscribe and support the channel. You can also find me on TikTok at El Leyenda 876. So it's E-L-L-E-Y-E-N-D-A 876. I appreciate your love. Thank you very much.
At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen. Guess what? You can get to meet some of your favorite actors and actresses at your event. If you never knew, now you know. Pick up the phone and call us today to book your special event.
You know, friend, when me no pull a bolt or a scoop of a car.
Screw the fan vehicle.
That is screwed up.
I was one doing my foot up.
Well, me never did a good mechanic for a time, so. That is screwed up a car still. Well, me don't know, because I never did a good mechanic for a beginner, so that's why I have to take up there. Ready? Ready now?
Yes, yeah. So when me I gonna get me paid in, bossy? It come like how we call it. It come like how we call police. What you say?
No, you know, say.
Well, I said the party people.
Come on, man. Why you think you can't?
Hello? Yes, this is me.